Alright, what's up you guys? Today, it looks like we're helping Chris.
Okay, that 14 is the wrong size. We need a 15. I got a 15 down there.
Okay.
We'll just swap it.
Alright, so basically we're just putting this big old fucking gas tank into this big old fucking truck.
Sounds about right.
I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we will do it somehow. Over here on Chris's truck. Alright, Chris.
Yeah.
Hold it up enough for me to get under here.
You got any holes lined up?
No. The holes are right here. Has to go up higher.
Okay. Ooh, I got 2 lined up.
Get it, Chris.
Trying to, man. You know how ratchet is?
Yeah, it's right here. So how many times have you tried to get this gas tank up in here?
I think this would be the 5th.
Yeah.
5th time's charm, ain't that what they say?
No, not at all.
No, that's what they say.
So how are we gonna get this side to bolt up though? Because the holes are right here. They're almost there.
Does it gotta go higher?
Yeah.
And that's the highest it will go? Oh, it's stuck on something. Something's hitting it. Because we gotta fucking figure out what's hitting it. Can you see what's stopping it? You got that one ratchet I gave you?
Which one? The one with the 14 on it?
Yeah.
It's outside. From underneath. It's right here.
Yeah, this one's fucking shit.
So like you heard from Chris, it took him about 5 tries. It could possibly take more if this doesn't go up this time to get this gas tank up. So just know if you're ever working on a Chevy, what year, 86? K10? The gas tank is a bitch to get in there. I mean, it sounds simple. You just got 4 bolts over here and then 4 bolts over there. But you gotta line these brackets up and then bolt it in. It sounds really simple, but
I recommend putting on the gas lines first.
yeah, he recommends putting on the gas lines first. And then lining the brackets up. Because it doesn't look like it's gonna bolt up over here. It's like an ab workout.
Hell yeah.
So you got all 4 of yours in? Or just 3?
Almost got the third one. Yeah, it's going crooked as fuck.
I wonder if you got a jack and just jacked it up. Oh.
What's it gotta do? Come
it has
back
to
that
come
way?
to the left. You able to hit it over? Okay. It still needs. It needs to come down, but go to the left a little bit more. Okay. Push it up. Let me see this. I don't know if that did anything. Come down.
Can't get it up in here.
Come down a little bit. Yeah, go back up a little bit. Hold it still. Why isn't this one going? Oh shit. I'll put a bolt down here somewhere. I lost it. Oh, found it. Did you get that one? You gotta push it up. I got the top one, I think. Push it up some more. Okay, yeah, I got the top one.
Okay.
Alright, and I got that one.
Alright, which way this guy go?
To the left.
Okay, let's go over that way?
Yeah.
Towards you?
Yeah. Alright. And then it just needs to get pushed up just a little bit. I don't got a bolt. Where's the bolt? Alright, actually looks like it's lined up good right now. I think we just gotta tighten it in there. I think it's stripped a little bit from the last time we tried to put it in. Looks like it's going in straight though. Is there any more bolts or is you only got 3 and 3?
I'm gonna say fuck it and do 3 and 3.
Okay, fuck it and do 3 and 3. Hold the camera. Yeah, I definitely think that one's stripped over there.
This one might be too, or it might be because it's crooked as fuck. Is that your second one or is that your third one?
Second. Holy cow.
Yeah, you telling me. Fucking each other, you wanna come join? Hanging up my gas tank.
Alright, so I guess Chris was right. 5th try is the charm. But instead of doing 4 bolts, we just did 3 and 3 over there.
Oh, sorry.
But now he's just trying to run the fuel lines.
Which is another bitch.
Yep. What he said.
me get these motherfuckers.